Hey guys, how you doing? Today is Lagging here, and today we're gonna be building a gaming PC for 500 bucks, and that's in the US. To start off this build, I like to start off with my cases that way you know what everything's going into. We're gonna start off with NZXT Gamma Classic Series. The black steel mid tower. It's got it doesn't have USB 3 on the front panel, but that's okay because our motherboard, I don't believe it has a USB 3 front panel either. It's black. It's decent. It comes with one fan, but it supports up to 6 fans. And for the motherboard, we actually went with the combo here. You get a Gigabyte G8 970 ADS3. It's AM3 plus, supports 2000 megahertz, and yeah, it's a nice looking board. It's a good board. It overclocks very well. And the processor you get with that, you get the AMD FX 6300. It's clocked at 3.5 turbos to 4.1. Excellent for gaming, excellent for rendering, and almost anything else you want to do with it. Sorry, I got my phone in the background. And for the RAM, we got one stick, 8 gigabytes of Corsair XMS. It's clocked at 1600 megahertz, and it's normally 70 bucks, but on New Egg they have $20 mail-in rebate card. You claim that, then it's 50 bucks. And for the graphics card, we're going with we actually got another little combo here, and in this combo we got the RAM and the video card. You get a power color 7850, the 2 gigabyte version, not the 1 gigabyte version, because games are gonna start eating up that 1 gigabyte VMR buffer. So yeah, and it's a 6% off promo code right now. That takes like $10 off the price. It's originally 160, so I believe you get it for like 140 with the combo. So I mean, that's a great deal. And you also get a DVI to VGA and a HDMI to DVI adapter with that. And for your storage, we got just a regular Toshiba 500 gigabytes, 7200 RPM, 32 megabyte cache. It's SATA 6. It's Toshiba. Toshibas are decent. I used to have a Toshiba. Never had any problems with it. And I guess they stopped the little DVD burners for like $5 when you buy a hard drive, but we got a light on. It's on sale. It's normally 18 bucks, $3 off promo code. Go ahead and take advantage of that. And that is the build. And the total for this build is actually $496.91, and that's after take off all the promo discounts, all the combo discounts, and all the mail-in rebates, and your shipping. And y'all enjoy this build. It's Lagging here. Peace out, and y'all stay true.